Women's Day number 5. I just got up. It's like almost 9 o'clock. I thought I was sleeping in, but my 2-year-old was like, "No, mom, wake up." So yeah, I just came to the bathroom and cleaned I'm not gonna cuss, but my morning routine, you know, and I'm gonna just show y'all. Yeah, my wax melt has been burning. Well, it's been on here since I did that video yesterday about 4 or something. And it's got the bathroom smelling like a coffee house up in here. It smells so bomb. And that's just the whipped candle wax, not the solid candle wax. So I have to count how many hours that is, but it still smells really good. And yeah, so let's see how today goes. Let me see if I can come out and vlog. My husband's on the couch sleeping. Let's see what happens. They're playing Chinese restaurant, you guys. And they got my living room looking like a hot ass mess. Say hi.
Hi. Hi.
Say hi, YouTube.
Hi, YouTube. Hi, YouTube.
Oh Lord, what's all over your face? You was eating?
Hey, baby.
Say bye.
Bye.
Oh yeah. You see that back there? The transformer. Try to point at the transformer. Where is it? Okay, right there. Right there. That transformer, I made that for his Halloween costume. I'll stick those photos or those videos in this video to extend this vlog out, because I'm pretty sure ain't nothing happening other than probably putting up the Christmas tree. So
I don't have the money. How can I pay money for the car?
that's that kid life. When your kids wake up early and you gotta come downstairs and supervise. He gonna kick my ass though. Alright y'all, so I'll see y'all later on. I'm gonna find me something in here to eat. Alright, bye. The helmet. So far, all freehand, no templates, nothing. I just have to add some more to the top, cover up his head. This is fit for his face. We got our I think they're called exhaust pipe things. Got the front part of the truck. My Autobot is drawn out. Just needs to be painted. Turn to the side. Oh, wasn't them costumes cool? It took me quite a bit of time to make them. My kids rather have handmade than store-bought because you really don't get much with a store-bought costume and everybody looks the same. So like I said, nothing else really gonna happen today. It's like 4 something and the Christmas tree is not put up. I'm waiting on my dad to pull everything out the garage. So when he comes down, then I can go ahead and do that. And as you can see, I don't know if you guys can see that, but I have makeup on my shirt, sadly. And my shirt said, "This mama needs some wine." And I'll put the link down to these shirts in the description bar. I'm so embarrassed I just showed y'all that. I have kids, so I ain't gonna stay clean. I don't know who told the fairy tale that that's what really happens day to day, but it's really not. So all I did today was all my boys got their hair cut after this morning, and I have been watching Motown Magic on Netflix all day. I am in love with this cartoon. I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's the music or the premises that they are teaching kids stuff and how to get through things like cartoons used to be. But man, if you have not seen it, like I said, check it out. It's on Netflix. It is called Motown Magic. It's been out since November 20th, I think, but this just showed up. This just showed up on my Netflix today. So go ahead, check that out. I'm gonna get back to watching that, and I'm gonna get up off of here because I'm enjoying myself, and my itty bitter, him is sleeping. So y'all enjoy your day, and happy end to my Vlogmas day number 5, and I'll see you guys again tomorrow. Peace.
You see who got it? You see I'm still in the bank making deposits. You see who switched up sides and who was solid. You see who stuck to the code and who forgot it. Talk about it, bitch.
You know how to go and get a bag, don't you? You know how to make a